Hello, sir. This is Althea, and this is my output for the image recognition activity. So we are here at the homepage of my app, TikTok. So I've integrated a new design for this one. So in the index, we have here the speech recognition, image recognition, and this one will be for the next project. So let's proceed to the image recognition. So we have here real time capture and upload for the subcategories of this feature. So here in real time image recognition, every 5 seconds, the result will be refreshed. So let's try to scan a photo. So the result, the predicted class is more likely a sunflower, which is 99.75, which has 99.75 accuracy. So as you can see, the accuracy is refreshed every 5 seconds. Next is this one. So we can see the accuracy here, which is 99.77 percent. Next feature is the capture. So in this feature, we have here a capture button wherein the user needs to tap the button in order to capture the image. So okay, sunflower. Let's try a another picture of sunflower. Sunflower. Images. Then a sunflower. So let's try this one. Sunflower. So after um we press the capture button, there will be another button for another or upload. So let's try to upload. So the predicted class of the picture is sunflower, which has 99.36% accuracy. Um, another one for tulips. Tulips. Upload. So here, the predicted class is tulips and the accuracy is 99.65. So the next subcategory is the upload file, wherein the user choose chooses a file from downloads. So let's try this one, flower one, classify. So predicted class is sunflower, 99.9%. Another one, flower 2. Flower 2. Flower 2. Predicted class for flower 2 is tulips, which has 99.23. Another, and that is all. So that's all for my activity 1. Activity 2, sir, for the image recognition. Thank you, sir. So, flower